This is my sweet potato bread, and I cook it on top of the stove, so hopefully it doesn't fall apart when I Yay! Sweet potato. Oh, look at that. Yummy! A sweet potato with condensed milk, eggs, and a little bit of sweet rice flour. Yeah, Happster style. Thank you for watching. Love, love, love. It's really good. So this consists of sweet potato, purple potato, and white potato with condensed milk, eggs, rice flour, and a little bit of milk, and just cook it on top of the stove, put a lid on, and steam it sort of. Yeah, and brown in the bottom. It's really good. You guys should try it.